Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you an update. I'm standing underneath the 1967 Volkswagen split window bus or van. So this is a total custom vehicle that we've been building for a client. And in our earlier video, we shared with you where we had sandblasted the complete underside of the vehicle, and then we applied, I think it was 3 coats of a black 2-part epoxy to completely seal all of the metal. And now we have completed this commercial grade, it's like an anti-chip or stone chip protection, and it's a 2-part epoxy, and it has a texture, a rubber texture to it. My hands are filthy. So you can see how nicely it's basically a little bit of, I guess the best way to describe it is a light pebbly surface, and it's a 2-part rubberized commercial grade product. We're really happy with it. It's a special gun that we purchased to spray it. So it's a light film that's over top of the black 2-part epoxy. And you can see how very nice and consistent it is. And then when you come down, we've got our rails where you can see it's nicely protected, obviously, everywhere. And then we come to the important floor parts. You can see where we have it's protected everywhere too, obviously inside the rockers. So that's the passenger side floor. And then if we slowly come over to this side, you can see once again on the driver's side floor where we have this nice finish all the way along. So you can see how nice the floors look, exactly like normal factory floors. And the rails obviously are nice and protected. So really nice product. So this is a 67 Volkswagen Bus split window. So now that we have all new metal where required, we've got 3 coats of a 2-part black epoxy to completely seal the metal, and then we have 2 coats of this really nice rubberized undercoating or stone chip product. This is really going to help last a really long time. So we'll share with you in our next video, because we're ready to start doing the disc brake conversion install. So we'll share with you that next. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.